Hello everyone, let's solve GATE paper CS1 2025 question number 58. Consider the following probability distribution given by the density function. P of x is cx square for 1 less than equal to x less than equal to 4 and it is 0 for x less than 1 or x greater than 4. The probability that x lies between 2 and 3 is, what is the probability that the x will lie between 2 and 3? That is what we have to figure out. So let's first understand what this particular concept is. So a probability distribution function is a describes the relative likelihood for a continuous random variable to take on a given value. It predicts or describes the relative likelihood for a continuous random variable taken on a given outcome. The total area under the curve or the probability distribution function over its domain must be equal to 1. So total area under the curve from minus infinity to infinity, whatever the thing is, probability distribution function dx, area under the curve, we have to do integration. Okay. So let me repeat. Probability distribution function describes the relative likelihood for a continuous random variable to take on a given value. Normalization constant. A probability distribution function is given in a parameterized form like cx square here, where c is the constant and must be determined so the total probability over the valid range is equal to 1. So if I try solving writing this, then what it has mentioned here is 1 to 4, like let me write that properly. 1 to 4 cx square dx should be equal to 1, as I said. So probability between two values. Let's first get that. So once the probability distribution function is known and normalized, okay, the probability that a variable lies in a specific interval is computed as a definite integral. Once we figure out that the probability distribution function is known and normalized, then the probability to lie within a specific variable is calculated by a definite integral. So the definite integral, I want to calculate p of 2 less than equal to x less than equal to 3 is basically equal to a definite integral from 2 to 3 p of x dx. This is what it will be. So these are the concepts I need to know. Let's try to solve the question. So find the constant. So as per the question, 1 to 4 cx square, 1 to 4 c x square dx should be equal to 1, and c will come out. So c 1 to 4 x square dx, if I try solving it, so x to the power n integral is basically x to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. So if I try solving it, it will become x to the power 3 by 3, and I can get a value from 4 to 1. So if I try solving it into c basically, so that will be equal to c into uh, 4 cube by 3 minus 1 cube by 3 is equal to c by 3 into 63, because 4 cube is 64, 64 minus 1 is 63, is equal to 21c. Okay, so we figured out this much. So whatever integral on the left side is equal to 1. So 21c is equal to 1 and c is equal to 1 upon 21. This is what we figure out. Okay, so the value of constant is known now. Let's now find the probability for 2 less than equal to x, like PDF. Uh, P of 2 less than equal to x less than equal to 3 is equal to 3, oh sorry, 2 to 3 cx square, so 1 upon 21 x square dx, so 1 upon 21 will come out, 2 to 3 x square dx. If I try solving it, it will be again x cube by 3, so 1 upon 2, x cube by 3, 3 to 2. So let's calculate that. That will be equal to, so 1 upon 21, x cube by 3 with 3 into 2. So it will look like 1 upon 21 into 3 cube minus 2 cube by 3. Uh, so it comes out to be 3 cube is 27 and 2 cube is 8. So 27 minus 8 will be 19. So 1 upon 21 into 19 by 3. That is what is coming up. So it comes out to be 19 by 63. This comes out to be 19 upon 3 into 21. That comes out to be 19 by 63. Now let's evaluate that in up to 3 decimal places. So if I try evaluating that, then 63, 19, 0, point. Then I write 190 here. If I try solving it 3, it comes out to be 3, 3 6 are 3 3s are 9, 3 6 are 18, 189, 1, 0, 9 minus 9 will be 0. And I can put 0 here. So a 0 comes up. So this is 0 again. Another 0 comes up. 1 comes up here. It comes out to be 63. 7, 9 1 6 3. Another 0 come up 6. So 6 3s are 18. 6 6 are 36 plus 37. Uh, 3 6 are 18. 6 6 are 36. No, 6 is a 36 and plus a 37. So no, not coming up. 5 to 5 3 is a 15. 5 6 are 30, 30 or 31. 5 here and 7 minus 1 6 5. 0 comes up. 8, I think 6 8. Yeah, maybe 9 as well. All 9 3s are 27. 9 6 are 54. No, no, 8. So 8 3s are 24 and 8 6 are 48, 50. So this is coming out to be 0.30158. So rounding it off, it will come out to be 0.3016. Rounding off to the 3 decimal places, 6 will become so 0.302. That is what is coming up. So the answer is 0.302. That's it for this particular question. Take care. Bye bye. See you guys in the next question.